I want to introduce you all to this simple concept. It is a very simple concept. Dedication. We all know what is dedication. We have tried many times to be dedicated, but it didn't last long. We want to be dedicated to our work and want to achieve success, but we cannot because we do not have a proper plan, or we just set too many goals. Do not set too many goals. Just set one goal which should be meaningful and are important for you. And you should have a plan or strategies to reach the goal. Many people do not have a clear idea about their goals. They even do not know what their goals mean to them. They just set their goal without having a clear understanding of it. So, you should know what your goals means to you and what you will specifically do to achieve it. If you set a goal to live healthier, for example, will you go running every day? At what time and for how long? Will you eat healthy? If there is no clear goal, there is no opportunity to create the specific steps you would need to do to accomplish it. You have to establish a plan or a path to success. When you are fully dedicated towards your goal, just know that every single day matters. When you wake up in the morning, do you know what is important for you to accomplish that day? Every goal, every priority you have set for yourself has to be done. It will determine whether your dreams lives or dies. When you start the process, you cannot question it, you cannot hesitate, and you cannot back down. You have to work hard every single day to reach your dream with full force. Just believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. You have to think with a clear understanding of your destination. You should know where you are heading so that you better understand where you are now, and so that the steps you take are always in the right direction. Even on the bad days, you have to stick to the plan and do the work that you have set for yourself. In a path, many obstacles will come. Just do not lose hope. If you give up, then all the work that you have done to achieve your dream be useless. Just set yourself to face and just go on. Many people just give up on their goals because of not getting results in the expected time. You have to know that some people get fast results, some do not. It doesn't mean that you will never get the result of your work. You just have to wait. Just continue your work with the same dedication. It will take time, but you will get your result as you expected.